Nakaliang ke sorka jela kadang don haki jengmut ki badang yo syakamat jong ke jengakren bat ki bor jong ke tanat sipai ban yo ya ke jaka ke batamai na ke benta ban Pynkynriah no ya ki nongsong snong ki basa hapo Harijan koloni. Chief Secretary jong ke sorka jela uba DP Wahlang ula pentip baka jengakren hapadang ke tanat urban affair bat ki sipai kadang ya syakamat hakabala itu ya ke jaka kabala ban long Hajan ke Anjalee parking lot. Kasorka jela kalangit bakat jaka bala terwa kalong kabala biang ban pensa ya kinong senong ka Harijan koloni bat kadon ke jengkarman bakan mi ke jengmut ka babha ya ke jengikran ka badang ya syakmat.
Location.
Harijan Colony relocation, the Urban Affairs Department is now in very advanced dialogue with the army authorities to get a new patch of land which is near Anjalee cinema site on the other side of the road. And that land we have realized is adequate for reconstruction of the Harijan colony, and we hope that we'll get a positive outcome as far as the army authority is concerned. If that happens and if that fructifies, then we can see it moving forward.
You have given up on the earlier land,
Which earlier land?
adjacent to the.
No, the other one is not viable because it's not viable because army said that it's too near the army quarters and other important installations. So this new land is a little far away and it's a viable one.
So is it near the Butcher Road?
No, not Butcher Road side, the other side where the quarters are there. Some quarters are there, but a little near the Anjalee parking lot.